It's doable.
Oh! I'm just scared to ride across this thing, dude. Woo!
But it doesn't look like no one else wants to do it.
Hey you guys, my name is Gabe Cruz. We're joined here today with the Braille Team. We got Glow Border, the Godfather, Nigel Jones, Uzi Walker, and Mobley. And we're here today to do a brand new build, the first ever build here in the Braillehouse 2.0. I had a dream, I had an idea, I had a vision. That there 3-block, this platform behind you, there's a whole lot of flat ground space in between. And I got to thinking, how about we build the Bridge of Demise, the longest grind from the 3-block to the platform. We build it up, suspended, and have our guys try to grind it. Because all I do is skate flat ground, so I gotta make sure that these guys have something to do all the time. Here's what I think. I think the 2 ramps need to go in the middle as a form of support, and I think as many boxes as we can use and stack them up, and the hubbas will go here, and then we just gotta somehow find a way to stack them so that we can grind from there to there. Push it in.
Now bring it in.
This is getting crazy. All on.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Bro, this is like where it gets like, you have to like, a little more. There you go. Almost there. I've never seen more collaboration and teamwork in any video we've done ever. Ow.
I'm not good with the Bob the Builder stuff.
Now, come on. Right there. Now.
It has to move that way though.
You gotta set it in right here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna have to drop it more.
Right there.
Almost.
That's it.
That's it.
No, not on that side.
Very good. There you go. There you go.
All right. Pull up.
The little box comes right here, look.
That one?
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect.
Stable. Now push this in so it won't be as high.
Set it upside down. It's got to come up a tad. This has to come up. This is automatically. That's that. It's solid. Wow. Oh, scary.
Don't do that.
Oh, scary.
It's doable. But it doesn't look like no one else wants to do it.
Absolutely. You got that.
No one else wants to grind that?
It's backside. Me and Baxter ain't friends.
Hold on.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I'm just scared to ride across this thing, dude.
Do it.
Quite the roller coaster, man. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's go! I thought it was possible, Dan. Oh my God!
Done with that obstacle.
That's the MVP. He didn't even want to do it, and he did it. And then back wing. Yeah.
Spider-Man instincts kicked in.
this clip as the best clip on Instagram. Like, you'd probably get so many likes.
Hey, keeping it real, I think he just made this so he could call it longest grind, but it was just really so he could manual.
World's longest manual by Gabe Cruz. And it is done. World's longest grind, world's whatever, we did it.
I love that my boss didn't quit. Because it just puts a good example. Don't quit.
Ever.
Good job.
Right here. I'm tired. Okay, well the reason we built this is because between you and I, we want to build a rail, one single long flat bar from the top of the 3 block over to here. Yeah, we want to build one long, like 40-foot flat bar from the top of the 3 block over to this platform right here for the maestro Andy Anderson to come conquer. So if you think that would be an amazing video, leave it in the comments below. But until then, until we make that happen, there's some videos right there. Go and check them out, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and learn how to skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. And get into it. It's hard, but it feels so rewarding when you do stuff. Take it from me.
The video's done.